In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Evernote. If you're like most people, your Evernote account probably holds a lot of notes, ideas, and saved content. Being able to quickly find exactly what you need is one of the most important skills you can learn in Evernote. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get started with the basic search tool so you can jump straight to the right note without scrolling forever. First, open Evernote in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the main Evernote screen, take a look at the upper left corner of the window. You should see a search bar there. This is your main way to search across all your notes, notebooks, and saved content. Go ahead and click on that search bar in the upper left. As soon as you click, Evernote will usually highlight the field and may show you some recent or suggested searches underneath. This can be helpful if you're often looking for the same things, like a weekly meeting note or a recurring project. Now, start typing a keyword or phrase related to what you're trying to find. For example, you might type a project name, a client name, or a topic like meeting notes or budget. Evernote will scan the titles and contents of your notes, and in many cases, even text from images or PDFs, depending on your plan and settings. As you type, you may see results updating in real time, helping you narrow down what you need before you even finish typing. Take a moment to look at the list of search results that appears. You'll usually see the note titles and sometimes a short preview of the content that matches your search term. Click on the note that looks like the one you want, and it will open on the right side of the screen. Inside the note, Evernote may highlight the words you searched for, making it easier to spot the relevant section. If you don't immediately find what you're looking for, try adjusting your search term. Use a different keyword, simplify what you typed, or try a more specific phrase. Over time, you'll get a feel for which words you used when you originally created the note, and searching will become faster and more intuitive. That's all you